In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily enable Always On Display feature on Samsung Galaxy phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. To do that, just swipe down on your home screen and then tap right here at that gear. On Settings, scroll down until you find Lock Screen, then get into it. And basically, guys, that's where we can easily find Always On Display. By toggling on that switcher, we can activate that feature on our device, and also if we tap right here, we can configure it so we can change how it will appear on the screen. We can set it tap to show, show always, show as scheduled, or show for new notifications. Also, we can change clock style. We can choose whether to show or not music information on the lock screen. Also, we can change screen orientation from portrait to landscape. We can activate or deactivate auto brightness. And basically, guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.